Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. Out here at the Avon Park field, we're going to take up the Carbon Z Trojan. Just to give you an idea of the scale of this plane compared to its little brother, the 1.2 meter Trojan. Hold on just a second. Over there versus the big T28 Carbon Z Trojan. And that's also showing you what I'm flying today. So today is Trojan Day, along with, of course, my Marlin and my Widgeon over there. So we're going to take this bird up. Motor is off. See, motor on,
motor off.
Motor off. Because I just put her down over here just to give you some scale of how big this beast is. So we're out here at the Avon Park field. Got a China Hobby 5,000 milliamp LiPo in her. I think it has a 60 C discharge. Okay. Motor on. Just flew the plane one time yesterday. Okay. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up.
And today we have a really nice breeze coming directly out of the west, running right down the runway. So that's very good for my advantage. And about 9 to 10 mile an hour, which is decent. Right now it's slacked off, but it's gusting up to 10 mile an hour. Let's get her down here, get her turned around. All right, we're ready to go, folks. Let's take her up for the very second time this plane has ever flown. Into the wind here. Coming by slow and dirty. By dirty, I mean that the flaps and the gear is down. Boy, that plane. Man, she got a beautiful presentation in the air. Oh boy. Man, oh man. Let me just take a look at that prop for a second. All right. This time we really don't need takeoff flaps. Do need landing flaps. I just don't, well, technically you don't need landing flaps because you're going into the wind, but she is a warbird, so you should bring her in by a little bit of speed. So come by dirty. Man, she looks good in the air. She's balanced really good too. Oh man. Now when you're just learning a bird like I'm doing here, you just want to land and take off, land and take off. All right. Got 2 minutes. I like where I've got that battery, and I'll show you where I have the battery here in a minute. So I'm going to turn around here. Man, that's a big bird. Well, I still got one. You know, the gears, they are hanging up.
Gear down. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
You know what? This time we're going to land with no flaps at all. No flaps, just a straight landing. Yeah, that went well. Yeah, I got one gear there. Yeah, that's, you know, I'll have to write Horizon about it and show them the video that got enough time for one more here.
Landing flaps.
Here, let's...
Time remaining 1 minute.
bring her by. Nice and slow. Oh man, is that not beautiful? Man, that's a beautiful plane.
30 seconds.
Oh man. Wow, that's something else, folks. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and watch what you want to hear.
Motor off.
Motor off. I want to show you where I've got that battery. It's right there, basically dead center in the battery tray. So that's where I got it. Like I said, it's a 5000 success. All right, folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm loving this plane. God bless y'all.